Hello and welcome again. Nowadays, it is easier to find help with the appearance of your makeup than ever before. This is because there are countless beauty bloggers on sites like Instagram and YouTube, all offering tips and tricks on how to get a great makeup look. They also often suggest the best products and tools get the look you want, something I found very true. If you want to change your style and learn something about beauty, going online for makeup tutorials is one of the best things you can do. Here are some of the main benefits you can get from trying this medium when you are interested in learning something new about the world of makeup. One of the main benefits of following makeup tutorials online is that you will have access to looks that you would never find elsewhere. There are a variety of different creative makeup artists from around the world, each offering unique looks according to their tastes, fashions in their country, and their own experiences and ideas about what looks good. This can be compared to what you can find in your magazines available only locally or nationally. Many will cater to particular audiences and niche fashions explored in magazines. While this can be fascinating, and you can learn several new looks and tips, it is still very restrictive compared to what you can get online. If you are ethnically diverse or fall into a category with different tastes and looks than what is available on the magazine shelf, going online to find a makeup guru can help you find something more suited to your look. These are just some of the main benefits of enjoying online makeup tutorials, ranging from the variety of makeup looks you can choose from to the satisfaction of finding someone who has the same resources as you. Exploring them can allow you to make the most of your beauty and learn something exciting and interesting about beauty too. Please visit the link below for the full article, like and subscribe, and we see us next time. Goodbye.